I'm Dr. Angie Dumundon, a medical naturopath, and I am also in occupational medicine. So Wilma came here for a recurrence of her thyroid tumor. So aside from a cleansing diet, we also put her on a hydrocolonics procedure that cleanses the colon, and that includes Pepars liquid. She's finished 3 boxes, and she's also taking tablets of Pepars.
2010, I was operated. Nag-record. Ang sabi kasi ng doktor, kahit na magkikemo ako or magpa-radiation, I will not live that long. Malaki ito, parang ano na,
Malaking
malaki.
Yeah, malaki talaga. So, this is only 1/3 now.
Pag tinitignan na nila ako, parang wala akong sakit.
And then, the impact really is that everybody says she's prettier now.
Yeah. Yung skin ko, yung maraming
the
nagsasabi.
skin.
Ang sabi nila, parang gumanda daw ako. May skin. Yun naman ang sabi nila sa office namin. Pag ako kasi talagang pag nakikita ninyo ako before na siyempre, ang laki-laki nga ng bukol ko now, at least lumiliit saka gumagalaw.
And she's inspired.
Oo naman, siyempre, maganda. So, fantastic papers. Kaya sabi ko, parang ito lang ang food supplement na may nakita ako kaagad na effect. Kasi ang dami ko rin namang food supplement na natin. Ito ang nakita ko kaagad ang effect.